Hi, I'm Misty Lynch, stepping back in time to the Victorian era here at the historic Gibson House in Boston's Back Bay. Catherine Hammond Gibson bought this land in 1859 for just $3,700 and built one of the first homes in what is now one of Boston's most expensive neighborhoods. If you're looking to channel some of Ms. Gibson's 19th century real estate savvy, I have a few 21st century tips to help you get started. It's a common misconception that owning is always more cost-effective than renting. Before you take the plunge, take stock of your situation. Make a list of the advantages and disadvantages of ownership. Think about your financial picture. Things like income, debt, credit score, and savings. If you have work to do in these areas, it may be wise to wait. It also might be worth waiting if you don't know what the next few years might bring, because short-term ownership can be costly. It's smart to focus on saving for a down payment, but don't forget the rest of the equation when it comes to buying a home. Work to strike a balance between your down payment and what you can afford to pay each month. 20% is the standard recommendation for a down payment, but if you put down less, try to keep your monthly payments, including taxes, insurance, and PMI, under 30% of your monthly income. Also, don't put all of your savings into your down payment. Be sure to keep aside about 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in an emergency fund, and also money for things like closing costs, moving expenses, and new furniture. Today's home buying process is different than it was 150 or even 15 years ago, and there's no one way to do it. Explore all of your options to figure out what works best for you. Many areas offer courses for first-time homebuyers that can help you figure out if you qualify for federal or local assistance programs. Run the numbers and talk to an expert to see what the right mortgage length and strategy is for your situation. You may even want to consider dipping into your retirement savings, since the IRS does allow for limited penalty-free withdrawals for first-time homebuyers. John Hancock has been in business since 1862, nearly as long as this place. Connect with us today to see how we can help you get into a place of your own.